Who's a serious bird? Who thinks about deep issues of philosophy? Who is it? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's you. Over here, over here, over here, over there. I don't know. Oh, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Whoa! Hi. Hi. You think so? Maybe. Maybe. In an alternate universe. An alternate universe. Is that cutie cutie? Can we see under your wing? I want to show. Is it okay? Can we look under your wing? At the feathers? You've been growing all these feathers and I want to show people all the feathers you have. Can we look at them? Is that okay? Is that okay? We'll look under here. Look under there. Oh, look at all the feathers. Look at all the feathers. You got so fluffy. You got fluffies. Ow. You don't want me to do that, huh? Can we look on the side? You got the fluffies over here. You got fluffies. You got fluffies with, let's see under. Because the fluffies are all under. I want to see under. We can see under. Oh, look at all those fluffies. Somebody's got the fluffy right there. You got fluffies here. You got fluffies in there. Is that fluffy sticking out? You got some fluffies sticking out. Look at all the fluffies. Who's got fluffies? Paulie does. Paulie's got fluffies. What do you think about that, Miss Bill? Are you excited? Are you excited about all the fluffies that Paulie has? Are you excited? Are you excited, Mr. Fluffy? Look at all the fluffies. I know. It's so exciting. Fluffies. Look at all the fluffies under your feathers. You can no longer look bald anymore on your tummy. You just look fluffy and mangy, but not bald. Oh, look at that. That's a good shot right there. He's posing for the camera, Lily. He's posing for the camera. Whoop, don't do that. I will bite you. I will bite you if you do that. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with your fluffies. Ooh, there's some fluffies. Still need some work right there, though. Yeah, you need a little work there. You like that spot. You like to chew on that. Yeah. Notice he preened 3 feathers in a row without biting at the ends. So you can do it. You can do it, Paulie. It's possible. It's possible. Yeah, look who's beautiful with all the stuff he's got growing. Yeah, you gotta do your butt. You gotta do your butt, yeah. So exciting. Preening like a normal bird. Paulie, 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 Paulie is preening like a almost like a normal bird. Yeah, almost.